Good morning, dear Madam Asa. I am Aradhya from class 6, studying in DPS Srinagar. I am 11 years old. My mother name is Sucha and my father name is Riddhi. I, belonging from Haryana. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Aradhya. I am here to tell you about my favorite cartoon character. My favorite cartoon character was Shinchan. Shinchan Nohara was 5 years old from Japan. He goes to Fatawa kindergarten school. He troubles his friends, family, teachers, neighborhood by singing a silly song. He was very funny. He was his favorite cartoon character, Action Kamna. I watched Shinchan with my family. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Drishti. I am studying in class 5th B. Good afternoon. My name is Drishti. Today I will speak about my favorite cartoon character. My favorite cartoon character is Little Singham. He plays two roles and goes to school with his friends. Friends' names are Lattu and Bubbly and Chicky. On other side, he was a police officer. Thank you.
My name is Kamna Sharma. I read in 5th class. I am 10 years old. My mother name is Pooja Rani. My mother is a tuition teacher and a housewife. Hello, my name is Kamna. I am going to talk about my favorite cartoon character. My favorite cartoon character is Chota Bheem. He lives in Dholakpur village. He is a small boy. He is a nice and very strong boy. He helps everyone. His favorite sweet is laddu made by Tuntun auntie. Thank you.